Hello everyone, welcome back to Space Explore, and this is episode 95. Today we're going to talk about the future settlement on Mars from worldwide private companies. Mars is the most habitable planet in the solar system, apart from the Earth, so Mars is the focus of academic research and one of the candidates for alien colonization. Interplanetary traveling and colonization is one of the most popular settings in scientific movies or novels. With the advancement of science and technology, Mars colonization has become an achievable vision. As we can tell, we still have a lot of questions about Mars in terms of it as an adequate habitat for humans. Now, let's take a look at the differences between Mars and Earth. Mars is not comfortable for humans. Most parts of the Earth are very different from Mars. Only the South Pole is relatively close to Mars in terms of temperature, which is not comfortable for human beings to live under a temperature at average negative 25 degrees Celsius. The air pressure is extremely low, and the concentration of carbon dioxide is extremely high. The Earth's carbon dioxide content is low on the other hand. There is almost no oxygen. 25% of the Earth's air is oxygen. The gravity is low, and there's intermittent liquid water on the surface of Mars. These are some of the differences between Mars and Earth. Nevertheless, some people still believe that humans can still live on Mars. If humans want to live on Mars, they must live in man-made buildings and stay indoors. In the future, humans may explore Mars in person, but there is still no answer to the question of whether humans can live permanently on Mars. Now, let's talk about some solution that comes from scientists which might help humans to stay on Mars with an habitable environment. The terraforming of Mars is the transformation of Mars into a livable planet for humans, turning Mars into an environment similar to the Earth. The feasibility of the concept depends on whether the Martian environment can be changed by man-made means and the feasibility of establishing an artificial biosphere. Many solutions have been proposed, some of which are not allowed and restricted by economic and natural resources, but some of them are technically achievable. Now, let's talk about the most advanced company in the field. SpaceX is an American private aerospace manufacturer and space transportation company. It was founded in 2022 by entrepreneur Elon Musk with the goal of reducing the cost of space transportation and colonizing Mars. SpaceX reusable rocket is considered to be the key for the future of space traveling. The reusable rocket greatly reduces cost and greatly increases the service frequency of rockets. Launching a rocket becomes more like an airplane taking off and landing. Hence, the price of launch rockets began to fall significantly. Elon Musk believed that there are two future possibilities for human beings in the future. One is to stay on the Earth forever and face extinction someday in the future. And the other is to develop aviation culture and become a multiplanetary species in view of the fact that Mars itself is closer to the Earth and the environment is similar. It is the most likely choice for success. SpaceX was created under this concept. Lastly, join me and understand how Elon Musk planned to change humans into multiplanetary species. SpaceX launched the Starlink project, which aims to develop the world's first fully reusable space orbit class launch vehicle, allowing SpaceX to carry 150 metric tons of objects into space orbit at low cost, thereby realizing migration to Mars ideal with the continuous improvement of rocket launch technology. The purpose of the Starlink project is to develop a global satellite internet system that can be used in environments such as Mars to deploy communication infrastructure in the solar system, which provides a communication channel for humans who might be on Mars City in the future. As the continuous improvement in technology, Elon announced that the first city on Mars will be constructed in 2030 and completed terraforming on Mars by the 22nd century, turning it into a planet that is fit for human beings. Well, isn't that amazing? Thanks for watching today's episode. I'm Kevin Huang, and I will be seeing you next week.